just did a Twitter poll 2 weeks ago after talking to investors, and the question was, which asset hit all-time highs this year? Gold, Bitcoin, neither, or both? Compare that to gold. Gold is like the nirvana. So this year, gold inflows into US ETFs is about 14 billion. Bitcoin is sort of much less than that. And what buyers like higher prices. That's not a big secret. But I think what's happened to gold this year is it contrasts from a macro perspective as well, which has been it's a real breakthrough. I mean, we've talked about de-dollarization, but Trump's tariff scare that he put into the markets have really goosed demand for gold. And listen, not everyone's paying attention to what's going on. I just did a Twitter poll 2 weeks ago after talking to investors, and the question was, which asset hit all-time highs this year? Gold, Bitcoin, neither, or both? And in your own mind, I know this crowd knows the answer. The question is, how many got that poll correct? Shockingly low number of only 1/3 of people who answered the poll, and it was a good number, identified that both had hit all-time highs this year. So again, gold has been bought by foreign central banks, foreign institutional investors. Everyone wants to get away from US Treasury risk. Bitcoin is so far away from penetrating those dark rooms where the big money lies. Now, sorry, long answer to your question about the wealth channel. I think we're seeing the beginning of adoption, but even for individual investors, some of the biggest retail brokerage firms wouldn't allow the sale of Bitcoin ETFs, Vanguard, for example, right? I mean, that's a big exception. That's for the first wave, right? Now, if we're looking at financial advisors, long ways to go before most allocators include Bitcoin, and we can talk about why, into their portfolios. Long ways to go, and kudos to BlackRock for doing some of that.